when you give an exciting answer or a different answer, you are creating dopamine. Now, dopamine does a lot of things in our bodies, but in conversation, dopamine is the chemical of motivation and excitement. So if I asked you a question or answered a question in a different way, I highlighted a new neural pathway. My brain went, ooh, something new. And that dopamine does a couple things. One, it gets you excited. It makes you feel more positive. Dr. John Medina found that dopamine makes you more memorable. So if you're in conversation and someone's gone on 50 first dates, or like you're in a business meeting, this, especially in business, I say to people, create dopamine in the boardroom. You got to make your presentation stand out. You got to create dopamine in an interview. If you're pitching, I work with a lot of entrepreneurs, you got to create dopamine in those investors, because dopamine is what makes the brain go, oh, this person gave me pleasure. I want to remember them. When you trigger dopamine, people are more likely to remember your name, what you talked about, and what you care about. So if you want to be more memorable, the best thing you can do is try to create excitement moments for the both of you. Me Too moments are typically excitement. That's the secret motivation by why I want you to have Me Too moments. And then also sharing stories. I kind of have like a story toolbox. I like keep all my favorite stories in a little note on my phone because I just like telling them, you know? And so like start collecting or cataloging stories, because those are gifts for people. You tell a good story, someone's like, like they like love it. And then lastly is juice excitement. So when we talk about conversation starters, I have a couple favorites. So if you're gonna stop asking, what do you do? Where are you from? I love context cues. The other thing you can do with people you already know, especially at work, is ask, working on anything exciting these days? So like I had this problem where I would see people who I kind of knew, like friends of friends or like family members I don't see all the time. And I'd be like, how's life? You know, like, what do you do? So now I always ask, working on anything exciting these days? That is a dopamine gift for their brain. Because in their brain, then they have to go, oh, you broke their script. Exciting, exciting, exciting. They're literally searching their brain for something exciting. When they find it, they go, oh yeah, you know, actually, and they tell you. So you're actually like juicing dopamine, you're borrowing it from another area of their life. And by the way, if they say no, what a great opportunity for vulnerability. Like I've asked it maybe 1 out of every 10 times. I'll say, working on anything exciting or have anything exciting coming up? And they'll be like, no.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, wow. What's going on? Tell me what's actually happening in your life.
Yeah.
And we have skipped, how are you?
Yeah.
Busy, good. If you ask someone, how are you? They're gonna be like, busy, good, busy. How about you? And so I'd rather like get past that. And so asking that question is an unlock. So keep that one in your back pocket because it's my favorite.